If your car's roar sounds like a kitten's purr, it's time for an upgrade, my good man. First up, the Ferrari 812 Superfast. At a cool $335,000, you get 789 horsepower of pure Italian opera. Next, the Aston Martin 512 Vantage. For $180,000, it's 580 horses of British finesse. Lastly, the Porsche 911 GT3. At $163,000, it's a 502 horsepower German symphony. Follow V12 Volt for more and help us reach 500 subs, old sport. Cheers.